I got the car on Craigslist, 350 bucks, and then it was just a thrash to get it together for 3K Hooptie. The F-Bum Camaro, I built this for the $3,000 Hooptie challenge. It was just to be cheap and fun, that's it. That's what we did, built a fun car, really cheap, drove it all the way here from Phoenix. It was a horrible drive.
Really?
Yeah, it was horrible, but had a great time. Yeah, can't wait to get out here and race. It originally had an 8.1 big block that I put in it from the junkyard. That ended up being garbage. So everybody's got a 5.3 laying around. So I got a 5.3, threw it in it, threw a turbo on it, and away we went. I only had a couple days to test it, so we didn't do very well at 3K Hooptie, but hopefully we'll do a little better today.
Something tells me you know Dane Thompson.
Yeah, we have a race today. Well, we've known each other for a couple years from Zip Tie Drags, and he said he was going to be, I met him here last year when I had my Nova, and we never got a chance to race. I'm like, hey, we got to race this year. We both have junkyard builds. It's about the same stuff, so it'll be a good time.
And you were telling me it's your son's car?
Yeah, well, we originally bought this car to be his first car. We're like, hey, we'll build it for 3K Hooptie, and then we'll build it for your first car once 3K Hooptie's over. We did so horrible at 3K Hooptie, he's like, I want to do it again. So 3K Hooptie came back, we did it again. The guy before me put down antifreeze, they didn't see it at the track. I ended up spinning the car out, hitting the wall before 3K Hooptie. I ran 12.5 at 110 backwards, so it wasn't bad. I had to put street tires back on it. We went ahead and raced again and drove it all the way back home from Tucson. And it's like, okay, it's time to build your car for you. He's like, I don't want to change it. Just leave it how it is. So now we got to find him a daily. So this is going to stay how it is, and we got to get him a PT Cruiser or something now. But this year, we're just doing test and tune, have a good time.